Hi there, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. So I am really excited to be one of the guest designers for Clique Kits for August. My kit has just arrived and it is based on the Just a Little Lovely collection by Pinkfresh Studio, so I just wanted to walk you through my kit. So as always with a kit share, I will show you the papers first. If we should turn these over, okay. So I'm not sure if you get the entire collection because I haven't looked it up, but you get a lot of paper. So this one is called One Fine Day. And what I love about this collection is that there's a lot of kind of watercolour artsy effects done for you. This one is called Around Here. It's a beautiful wreath. So there's an example of the work that's done for you. This one is called Possibility. Absolutely gorgeous. A cut apart sheet called Story. That's beautiful too. This is a grid, not a grid, a ledger called Hope. And that's beautiful too. This paper is amazing. It's called Chit Chat. This one is called New Thoughts. And the final piece is called Highlight. So absolutely stunning. You could even fussy cut those. Okay, bring it back. Just put it like this while I show you the rest. So you get the puffy phrase stickers, and they're beautiful. So many titles you could make with those. You get a packet of the gold foiled acetate ephemera, and there's 26 pieces in there, so that's going to be fun to play with. Get the phrase stickers, and there's 81 pieces in there. Okay, so the embellishments that you get in the kit from the Just a Little Lovely collection are the gold foiled acetate ephemera, and you can see them there. You get the ephemera pack that has 47 pieces, and it's really, really beautiful. You get the puffy stickers, and there's 24 pieces. So you've got some words, some florals, what do you call these, like phrases. I love these and I'm so excited to get them. Phrase stickers, there's 81 pieces, so some are words on their own, some are actual phrases, and I just love the watercolour treatment on that. And then these are absolutely beautiful. They are the puffy phrase stickers, and there's 26 pieces, and there's like the words that you can make titles from, and then also some florals, puffy stickers, and like foliage. And then exclusive to the kit, you get this little bag with some large paper flowers, and you know, this is perfect. It would go with the kit as well, so you could work that into whatever you're making as well. So those are beautiful. So you get 3 of those. And then you get some smaller, like ribbon fabric flowers as well. And you get a gorgeous sequin mix. So that's put together by Clique Kits. So that is my kit. I am really excited to be creating with it, and I'm really excited to be the guest designer. So stay tuned for some projects that I'll be making. Thanks for watching.